I don't know how I made this. I burned this whole. I don't know. It's stuck and it's not coming out. So yes, I made it, and obviously, it did not take 2 minutes. It took more than that because I applied some bakwas buddhi of mine and some YouTube techniques of making Maggie, which has resulted in this. But I don't know, it tastes good, hopefully. I just had one bite of it. So, yeah, I think it tastes good. So, I am here with some food, and now I want to talk to you, like really talk to you, and tell you what has been happening in my life. Actually, a lot has been going on in my life lately, with a lot of events, a lot of people, a lot of things being involved in the same. So, my key learnings, I just wanted to share and put that out. And I don't want you to experience any of this, honestly, because it has taken over my mental health a lot. I have really not been sleeping at all since 3 days straight, and more than that actually, but yeah. And it's really taking over me, yes. I have not been eating properly, sleeping properly, actually not functioning properly is what is correct. And that is not because of the people, but because, or not because I overthought a lot of things, but because right now I'm really thinking a lot of things. I'm not a person who actually thinks a lot about things like, maybe you could have done this, maybe I could have done this, maybe I could have said this in a conversation which has happened 10 hours ago, whatever. I have never done that. But for the first time in life, I really thought I could have said this particular thing at this moment, which really makes me re-evaluate a lot of things. A lot of things like, why did I ever want to do that? Why did I ever want to not say that? Or why did I ever want to say such a stupid thing? Things like that. But again, I'm so confused that there are so genuinely confused that there are so many people who are playing so unfair these days but are getting to the top. So, what about the genuine winners, or maybe not winners, but the people who have good intentions, just pure good intentions and nothing else for anything and everything that is happening? I do not understand that, and my key learnings include the same, that there can be 100 types of people. You cannot overcome everything just by being brave, because that is absolute bullshit. If I tell you that please be brave and you will overcome everything, that is absolutely wrong. You're allowed to cry through it, you're allowed to laugh through it, you're allowed to smile through it, you're allowed to do anything and everything that you feel your heart should do. But most importantly, if you feel something is wrong, or if something is going wrong, please, please, please address it, because it really makes a difference. You make the difference. It is not anybody else who can make a difference. So if there is a decision that you can be a part of, and you can really influence or enhance the decision, or make it easier for the decision making process, or for the person, or anything of that sort, please play your part. You really do matter, and your decision can change the game, absolutely, and give a lot of people hope. So that is what I wanted to say, because this, whatever is going on, is already a lot to process, not just in my life but in general also. There are a lot of things. And secondly, see, so my first learning was about me realizing that it is important to be a part of decisions and putting out whatever I feel, absolutely whatever. Secondly, the thing is that there can be a lot of things that you do not know about. Now, if you're not educated about a certain topic, just put out whatever you know, but also put out the fact that you do not know it completely and you're not aware of it. so that the person sitting right in front of you knows that you do not know everything, but you also know some things. And please, even if the person does not know anything, they are not supposed to sit on knowledge. I am just letting you know that if they do not know something, you cannot apparently insult them or tell them that you should be ashamed of yourself because you do not know this. And it is so common, or whatever you may call it, but you might not know something, which is absolutely normal. Please normalize this. You may not know something. If you're willing and ready to educate yourself, learn and grow, what is the harm? I do not understand. This is so damn important, and I cannot focus on this enough. I cannot stress on this enough. But anyway, this was number 2, and number 3 was, there is nepotism, there is politics, there is a little unbiasedness, unfairness everywhere. I mean, I'm not saying that you cannot make the right thing happen, or you cannot make it change, or you cannot do the right thing, do the right way. Nothing of that sort, but I'm just saying there are haters, losers, doubters everywhere, okay? Everywhere. You just have to slap them on their faces and move ahead. And also, not like literally neglecting them, not at all paying heed to them is one way to move ahead. That is what I've learned. These are my 3 key learnings. Of course, I forgot to eat my Maggie because I got really engrossed, and it has kept me very engrossed in the last whatever days. It has kept me very busy, very, like, most importantly, it's not about being busy, it's about me not feeling well because of people, which is very very rare, because I genuinely do not let people affect me a lot. But it's been a weird ride, and I thought my key learnings would help you also. So yes, that was it for my video. I hope you learned something, and do make a difference wherever you go, because the world is literally sitting based on hope, and your hope can take someone a very long way. Just give them hope, tell them that they can learn something. There is always space for improvement, rather than telling them absolutely bullshit and telling them ki, you have not done your best, or you have not even tried, or anything of that sort, because trying is literally the first step of anything. This is what you want to do, and this is where you want to be. I mean, this is where you are, and this is where you want to be. The middle part of anything, like getting from A to B, is just doing it. So do it. And how will you do it? You try. At least you try. Don't fear the fall. Take the jump. That is how you try. From A to B is just doing it. So do it. But do the right thing is what I want to say. If you feel something is not right, please put it out. Okay, I can just keep speaking for hours and hours about this, because yes, it is sad. Whatever has happened is sad, but yes, I hope we all get justice, and I will see you soon.